Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Mr. Miles Young, Chairman, US-Pakistan Business Council. Mr. Mahmood Khan, Vice Chairman. Ambassador David Hale, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to welcome the members of US-Pakistan Business Council delegation, led by Chairman Miles Young, to Pakistan and our beautiful capital, Islamabad. I recall the wonderful luncheon hosted by US-Pakistan Business Council in October last year, which provided us an excellent occasion to interact and exchange our views on the promotion of bilateral trade and business relations. I would like to avail this opportunity to thank once again Chairman Miles Young for the Council's hospitality. Ladies and gentlemen, the US Chamber of Commerce epitomizes American enterprise and dynamism. Through the US-Pakistan Business Council, the Chamber has been a close and trusted partner of Pakistan. The Chamber has made commendable efforts to promote business-to-business collaboration between Pakistan and the United States and has in the process further strengthened relations between the two countries. I would particularly like to thank Chairman Miles Young and his team for their efforts in this regard. I am confident that this visit will go a long way in opening up new avenues for trade and investment flows between Pakistan and the United States. I also take this opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to the enduring partnership that has worked so well for the two sides in the past and promises even richer dividends in the future. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan and the United States have been partners and close allies since our independence in 1947. Besides the close bilateral relationship between the two countries in the political sphere, we have over the years forged an equally impressive economic partnership. The US has been and remains one of the major sources of investment in Pakistan. It is also a key market for Pakistan's merchandise exports. Ladies and gentlemen, the Pakistan you're visiting is a vibrant country of 180 million enterprising and hardworking people. You surely would have heard or read of the multifaceted and daunting challenges that the country faces today. But what is not as accurately reported are the significant strides that we have made in addressing these challenges. I am happy to share with you that Pakistan's internal security situation, a prerequisite for an environment conducive to growth, has registered impressive improvement. This is also true for governance and public service delivery. Pakistan's robust macroeconomic indicators speak for themselves. Having suffered the ravages of terrorism for years, we as a nation have decided to put an end to it, whatever the cost. Our comprehensive counter-terrorism operation called Zarb-e-Azb is yielding encouraging results. The year 2015 witnessed the lowest number of terror attacks since 2007, and we will inshallah make every effort that this trend continues to its logical conclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, our achievements on the economic front have been equally encouraging. Our GDP has grown by 4.26% in the fiscal year of 2015. This is the highest rate of growth over the last 7 years. Inflation was at historic low of under 2% in the fiscal quarter of the current fiscal year. Real per capita income has risen by 12.91% in the first 2 years of our term. Over the same period, our budget deficit has been brought down from 8.2% to 5.3%. Our tax revenues have increased by about 33%. We are determined to stay the course. Ladies and gentlemen, overcoming energy shortages remain one of the key priorities of my government. We have evolved a comprehensive strategy geared towards overcoming the energy shortfall on a sustainable and long term basis. We intend to add 10,000 megawatts to the national grid by the end of 2017, inshallah. Pakistan's economic upturn is being noted worldwide. Leading international publications, fund managers, and rating agencies have acknowledged Pakistan's outstanding economic performance. Pakistan is among the few places in the world that offers the promise of resources, geography, and people all at the same time. Increasing urbanization, favorable demographics, a growing middle class, and economically empowered women and youth are some of the key drivers of growth. Pakistan also has one of the most attractive investment regimes in the world, which allows foreign investors 100% repatriation of profits and easy convertibility into foreign exchange. We believe that the private sector to be the engine of economic growth and consider foreign investment as a necessary catalyst for creating more economic opportunities. We believe that a vibrant private sector is essential to a government's ability to provide the best possible services to its citizens. Our government is committed to providing an enabling environment sustained by institutional structures that facilitate and allow the private sector to flourish. Ladies and gentlemen, the recently launched $46 billion China Pakistan Economic Corridor is a mark of growing confidence in Pakistan's economy and its future potential. This program will spur regional economic integration and bring prosperity to the entire region and beyond. Ladies and gentlemen, the United States remains one of the most important economic and trading partners of Pakistan. Leading US companies have invested billions of dollars in Pakistan and are making healthy profits. The past testifies to the fact that those US companies that invested in Pakistan did reap rich dividends. The future promises to be even better. I am confident that the US Pakistan Business Council will continue to play an active role in sharing with the larger US business community positive experience of doing business with and investing in Pakistan. An equally important role would be to impress upon the US lawmakers the importance of providing preferential market access to Pakistani goods. Comparatively, the South Asia region has lagged behind the rest of the world in terms of human development. To lift our people out of poverty, we must first establish peace in the region. Pakistan therefore seeks good relations with all its neighbors. I firmly believe that shared prosperity is the real and only lasting prosperity. We cannot maintain peace within unless there is peace without. This is what underpins my approach to a peaceful and friendly neighborhood. One of the key pillars of my government's foreign policy, therefore, is to support and encourage greater regional economic integration and connectivity. This is where we have our biggest opportunities to reap the dividends of peace in the region for the common good of our peoples. Ladies and gentlemen, our quest for strengthening democratic institutions and providing economic well-being of our people has not been without challenges. But the Pakistani nation has once and for all decided that its future, lies in a progressive and democratic state where the private sector thrives, the government protects the rights of its citizens, and no one is left out. I have no doubt that the Pakistani nation is now on course of realizing its true potential as a democratic country with strong institutions and a vibrant economy. As long time As long-time friends and partners, I hope you will continue to be with us in this journey that promises to be both exciting and rewarding. Thank you.